Hi there. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sort of go over a few brokering accounts that you can apply for so you can start trading options. So that's going to be this video. So it's not going to be a long video. I'm just going to run through three of the sort of top trading accounts so you've got an idea of which account to choose. So you can start trading options. Now, if you're an intermediate and experienced options trader, this video probably isn't going to be for you. So no need to watch it because it won't be of any use, because I'm sort of showing people how to open trading options, trading accounts. But if you're new to options, you never traded options before and you don't know where to start, this video is going to be for you, because you're going to need a broking account in order to start trading options. Also, if you really enjoy the video, why not consider liking it, because it just helps us to reach more people. Why not become a subscriber? Okay, so with that said, let's get out of the way. So the first account that you can look at is a Fidelity brokering account. Now, I think out of all of the accounts I've looked at, the Fidelity trading account comes out one of the top. So let's just run over a few things. So what I'm going to do is I will link, I'll link to this page down in the description so you can click on it and have a look. So these are the things you need to know before you apply. You can apply online. You're going to need your yearly income, trading experience, net worth, and liquid net worth. Approval time for the account could be 1 to 2 days, or within 3 to 5 days. So within 1 to 5 days, you will be approved. And these, if you've got questions to ask, there's an FAQ here. So that's the first account. That's the Fidelity account. And before I carry on, if you want an options trading sort of resource to help you get up to speed with options trading, I can highly recommend One Ticker Trader. Now, this product, it's a financial advisory service, is run by Larry Benedict, who's one of the world's leading options traders. This resource is great for beginner and novice options traders. It will get you up to speed fast. And the great thing about it is Larry's got a very, very specific strategy called the One Ticker Retirement Plan, where he basically just trades one ticker using options time and time again to make profits multiple times a month. And you'll learn everything about that with his special report. So this will get you up to speed with options, and this will go deep into his One Ticker Retirement Plan, which is his strategy for trading options. So yeah, if you wanna join One Ticker Trader, what I'm going to do is I'll leave a link down below. You can join. It is literally, normally this trades for $1.99, but you can join now for just $19, which locks your membership in for 1 year. So absolute bargain. Okay, on to the next account. So the next account you can look at is the E-Trade account, brokering account from Morgan Stanley. This came out very well, obviously. Morgan Stanley account back, so massive financial institution. But from this account, you can not only trade options, but you can trade all sorts of financial assets as well. So it gives you all sorts of tools, and you get all sorts of investment choices, to trade. You can get up $600 or more when you open a brokerage account. So basically, to trade options, this is the commission. You're going to be paying 50 to 65 cents per options contract. So pretty low, really. So if you open 3 to 5 options contracts a month, you're only going to be paying less than $3 commission to do so. So really, really affordable. This is another account. Again, you're going to need details in order to open it. But yeah, I'll leave a link to this account down below. And the last one I'm going to look at is Interactive Brokers. They've got powerful tools for advanced options trading. Commissions are 0.15 to 0.65 cents per US option contract. Trade options globally on 30 plus markets. Professional trading platforms for advanced option trading tools. So yeah, so another very well reviewed brokerage account. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll leave a link to this down below. So which one you choose is very much up to you. You might want to sort of try and open a few of them or apply to all of them, because some might not accept you, some will. So, you know, maybe open free accounts or have a go at trying to open all of these free accounts. But these free accounts came out pretty much the best if you want to open or if you want to start trading options. So I really hope this video helped you sort of figure out which account, you know, to open a brokerage account, because you can't start trading options unless you've got a brokerage account. So yeah, I really hope it helped you. What I'm going to do is, down in the description, I'm going to link to a video of how to get started trading options. So I'll leave a link to that down below so you can watch it if you would like. Last thing I'll say, if you want to join One Ticker Trader and get Larry Benedict's expert options trading advice, picks, and how he sort of trades just one ticker time and time again using options contracts, I'll leave a link to this down below, and you can join for just $19, so you can get up to speed trading options fast. So anyway, that's what I've got for you today. Hope you found this video useful, and I'll speak to you soon.